uh, in 2022, I thought of, painting a landscape. Every time if I like paint something, there's something happens inside me, or a release or anything. So I didn't felt release. Maybe someday I'll be able to paint.
कश्मीर में हर जगह आर्ट है, इतना बड़ा लैंडस्केप है, इतना प्यारा लैंडस्केप है। और अब आर्टिस्ट इस स्पेस में है। और ये जगह पॉलिटिकली डिस्टर्ब जगह है।
Whatever we are doing, it's just a reflection of whatever we have digested in our surrounding. Jailim for us is something which is like something which has seen everything. We see something which is not actually even happening. So that's what the eraser is there. So we were trying to draw something. It was it was deliberately not trying to come out from, it was not putting a stain there.
यहाँ जो वैसे बस पहले से ही पॉलिटिकली डिस्टर्ब रही है। और उस वजह से सोशली इकोनॉमिकली हर तरह से जो लाइफ है वो डिस्टर्ब है यहाँ पे। Kashmiri body. What does it mean to be a Kashmiri body in Kashmir? It faces a lot of challenges. You are witnessing many violent events in your everyday life.
How as an artist, if I'm censored, if I'm not able to talk, if I'm not able to say a word, so how can I use my whatever I have? What I do in the space, it stays there. It is like a time and space and my body. For example, if I'm an outsider, I come here and see beauty. Landscape is not what you see. Landscape, there are curtains, there are layers that we are experiencing. Somebody who lives in a place, or the performance that is happening in the place, is what is landscape suggesting as an artist who lives here. I was coming back from school. I saw a boy got murdered point blank in front of me. I was in 6th class, I guess, 6th or 7th class. If you say a white color, it's a shroud, or if you see a red color, for example, for me it's a numbers color, I know. So it has changed its existence for me.
I have been seeing red as a color on streets, on roads, in the houses, on the walls. It is a very violent color. और सफ़ेद कलर नेचुरल कलर है, बैलेंस करता है रेड को और ब्लैक को और कलर्स को।
Who had been seared in the flames of withering injustice.
Kaizenlicimiz diyor. Sapır sundra. Sapır sundra. Sapır.
South Mountain of Tennessee. Let freedom ring from every hill and molehill of Mississippi, from every mountainside. Let freedom ring from the capital.
Living in this place is always in chaos, in paradox, even for sometimes you don't understand what is the situation, why is this happening. तो वो लगता है मैंने कि जैसे कि सैंडविच जैसा बन गए हम, लाइक इन बिटवीन टू कंट्रीज. तो उस हिसाब से कभी कभार समझ भी नहीं आता कि अगर हो रहा है क्यों हो रहा है, समझ नहीं आता किसको बोले. I've been hearing, like, you know, as a layman and reading papers and coming from social media, I've been hearing people like little small kids, like juveniles getting PSA. Like, I don't know I have no idea what was it about. And then I got to know that it's like, you know, a safety act for a society. I was thinking about it deeply, and then I got to know that, like, you know, there are people who are infected with this thing who are older. It is not the way like the person should be treated. Works that we did are the illustrations and are the things which happened on the space. Like, we have not selected objects which we carry and do the performance there. It's the place we intervened. There were objects, we performed with those objects. They are in me, they are outside, they are inside. So it's there, it's an object, it's there, it has been there. I don't want to see that object. Would it be possible to take that object away from the landscape?
ये जो हमारा ओवरऑल लैंडस्केप है कश्मीर का, अब क्या हो रहा है बस इसका, अब यार स्केलेटन बन रहा है बस इसका, अब अलग ढांचा ये रह रहा है इसका, जो बस मांस था इसका, मीट था, वो ख़त्म कर दिया है बस गवर्नमेंट ने. दिल्ली और कश्मीर का हमेशा रहा है मतलब आदान प्रदान. मैंने जो मास्टर्स की है वो बस दिल्ली में ही की है, और मेरे दोस्त है वहाँ अच्छे माहौल में रहे, जबकि बस कश्मीर का जो माहौल है वो बस अलग है. वहाँ दिल्ली का माहौल अलग है, बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. और वहाँ की जो परफॉर्मेंस है, और उस पे जो मेरा बस आइडिया है वो था, जो ये सेंटर है, उस सेंटर से ही बस आदेश आता है, मतलब और जगहों की तरफ, पेरिफेरीज की तरफ. उन आदेशों पे जो उन आदेशों पे मैंने बस वो काम बनाया था. हाँ बिल्कुल, जो मेरा रिफ्लेक्शन थी वो अलग थी, डिफरेंट थी. हाँ,
The identity is always in flux. Like, if you live in a Kashmir, so if you be in a Delhi, so you will inhabit that place. You will, like, you know, live that place and you will inhabit it. Your identity will be changed from one place to another. But for me, there is this thing that as a Kashmiri, when I went to Delhi, it didn't happen with me. Is there anybody who would accept it and tell us that live in peace? is there is anybody listening that we wanted to live like human beings.